Ha!
Accountability.
Told ya!
So I feel like crap now that I've had that chicken. I kind of look like crap too, but better angle. I don't know. Anyway, I had that chicken and it was so salty. Like each bite was just salt. The grapes were a great consolation, but oh my goodness, with the salt.
Who eats chicken and grapes?
It's
what?
What's wrong? I just
It was pretty salty to mommy. Who
It was
eats
bad.
chicken
So,
and grapes?
This video
Like what?
will remind
really
me
though.
next time I get KFC for the kids and I think I could take my fast self and have a piece for myself. It's not worth it. Don't do it to yourself. You will regret it. Find something else.
I hear that story before.
I've
Could have
said
had
it so
some
many
coleslaw or
times.
something.
Now there's video evidence. Bye.